panel discussion was convened to explore strategies for enhancing climate resilience. Present was the Nelson Mandela Bay Municipality's portfolio head for public health, Cllr Tshonono Buyeye, South African Weather Services, Eastern Cape Combined Environmental Forum, NMU Coastal Line, Coega Development Corporation, and Environmental Management to explore pathways towards transitions to climate resilience. Discussions focus on critical environmental challenges and policy-driven resilience strategies. Leading experts shared insights on the impact of climate change on coastal ecosystems, emphasizing the urgent need for sustainable integration. Setting the context for this climate resilience initiative, the MMC said,
"We are here today because of the team that was doing that through the wildlife foundation that concluded the work, and it was more of a reporting from them. And as the president has now signed into law that all metros must have a climate resilience plan, this is what we were doing. So we are the first city now to say we have the plan, but obviously the plan will need to go through council processes, which is something that we'll do at a later stage once we've received this plan from the Presidential Climate Commission. We're quite excited by the turnout of environmental health champions in our city, people who are shown commitment after the disasters we've had in our city in the last year. And this is just to say, how do you make sure that the city is ready for future disasters, as we know that it's something that is going to be coming every now and again.
The conversation highlighted collaborative efforts needed between government, academia and industry to implement effective environmental policies and enhance disaster preparedness. Outlining the purpose of the engagement, emphasizing its significance in enhancing the city's climate resilience, NMBM Climate Change Resilience Facilitator Dr. Gary Kukumur said,
"All of these transitions we mapped, we've looked at it, and we've come up with a number of level of plans. So we've looked at Coega, we've looked at the M2, we've looked at Summerstrand, we've looked all over the city to develop plans for what you can do at a local level. And there's a lot you can do. So the Motherwell community has demonstrated how you can fix up the environmental hub that they're going where they can recycle. They also do cleanups. And then there's a canal system that goes into the salt pan that's brought the birds back, that deals with some of the polluted water that comes through there. So there's a lot of solutions in the city. What we're trying to do is knit those solutions together to make a plan. And so today what we did is we launched that plan in the sense of we said, okay, here's a working plan, this is what we've heard from everyone, now tell us whether that's a good plan or bad. So the next step of this process is then to create a forum of all the stakeholders in the city, and we will then use that forum to then implement this plan going forward.